Hello everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to check your RAM usage on your Mac. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's get right into it. First things first, we need to open Spotlight. To do this, just press Command plus spacebar on your keyboard. Now, type in Activity Monitor and open the app. This application gives you a real-time look at all your system resources. Once Activity Monitor is open, you'll see a bunch of tabs at the top. Click on the Memory tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications using RAM and how much each one is consuming. To find out your total RAM usage, look at the bottom of the window. You'll see Physical Memory, which tells you how much RAM you have installed in your Mac. In my case, it's 16 gigabytes. Right below that, you'll find Memory Used, and that's the amount of RAM you're currently using in real time. As you can see, I'm using 12.2 gigabytes of RAM right now. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to check your RAM usage on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.